this video, I'm just going to cover the progress bar object, which is available in indie and developer editions of GLC v3. So we'll double click to insert a progress bar, and as you can see, it inserts it in the top left corner like all the other objects, and it gives you a little preview of what it's going to look like as well. So like most other objects, you can move this object, you can resize it as well, make the progress bar as big, as long, or as tall and as thin as you want it to look. And then you can move it around, you can lock it, and you can resize, even duplicate it. So what we can do with the progress bar, well, if we open up the settings, we can see that we go to the value section, and we can specify values for it. So we can specify the minimum value, the maximum value, and the default value. Now the default value is probably always best being set to 0. And then you can also define actions to happen when the progress bar is complete. Now, if you're using the progress bar object with your custom patching system, do not use this event because it will break how the patching system works. If you're looking for the end of the patching system, you can use global events to do that up here, AOPS complete and AOPS finish it up. Don't use the event inside here because it's just going to be a catastrophe. However, you can use this event for anything other than AOPS patching. So when the progress bar is complete, you can say what to do. But the values, let's go back to the values. So you can display, link this progress bar to any of these here. There'll probably be more in the future added, which we can go through. So you can do AOPS overall percentage. So if you're using the AOPS patching system and you want to create your own patching page inside your launcher, then you can use this. Just select that, toggle that to on. You can use another progress bar for the current file percentage, the current file that's been scanned and patched, or you can use it for the global music volume. Now, like I said, when you get to watch this video, there might be other options available here, but they're all pretty much straightforward. Or you can check out the documentation on the documentation website with regards to any new ones that are added here. But yeah, pretty much straightforward. Now, just a little note about the progress bar. Even though you can layer it, because this is a Windows control, it will always appear on the top layer anyway. So you can't really, it doesn't really matter what layer it's on, because it will always appear on the top layer. Even though we have this layer here, this is just for the editor, so you can hide the object if you need to. But again, it's always going to appear on top anyway, because it is a Windows control and we don't really have much control over that. But you can hide the progress bar at start and then choose to display it wherever you need to using the show objects action. But yeah, that's pretty much the progress bar control inside GLC v3.